Hey guys, sorry for a sec. Today we have a review, that's my thumb, of this nice, yeah, that's focused, Bluetooth keyboard, and actually, I'm using a camera this time, so I can actually use my iPod, which is, not a phone, but, This particular, Slido keyboard is for the iPhone 5. Let's go and pop it out. Okay, here it comes. As you can see, it's for the iPhone 5 probably. Yeah. Pretty simple design. Yeah, that's not focused. That just got worse. There we go. That's probably gonna unfocus, but who gives a shit? Okay, so here we got the nice keyboard. Let me just put it up to the mic. Okay, well, you cannot hear that. Oh, wait, is it, let's just turn it off for now, and let's go into the, let's see if I can focus that. Oh, oh, God, what the... Alright, whatever, so I'm gonna type in my password. You know what? Don't bump. Let's just do it like this. Move the camera like that. And here we go. Let us get into our settings. Sorry if this is horrible. I'm trying to get in. Oh, wrong one. Here we go. I'm gonna turn the... That's horrible. The keyboard on. And then I'll tell you what to do in a second. So I'm gonna turn Bluetooth on. Okay, let's see. I don't actually know which one it is because there's about 4 things here. So you press this little. Wait, where is it? That's the little Wi-Fi thing. Right there. Let's see if that one connects. Oh. Yeah, it's this one. Alright, so, everything is connected. And let's put this into here, because yes, it will fit. Sorry for the horrible camera. I don't really have a good webcam right now. At all. It's a piece of crap. It's actually not even mine. Alright, so we're gonna hit the home button. There you go. And we're gonna go into notes. Like that. Let's add one. And as you can see, it does work. If you can see it all. Let's try and focus that. There we go. There you go. That's good enough. You can play with that a little bit. Let's do it so I'm not doing it backwards. Alright. So on the keyboard, if you do FN, and then this button, did it even do it? And there we go. The keyboard lights up. It's a nice little nifty thing. Let's erase everything. Alright, so that's pretty much the whole video. If I had a better camera, this would be a lot easier, and if I had an iPhone 5. Also, you can still go to your home screen. You can, just so I can show you, you can lock it. That was not lock. This is lock. And that's pretty much it you can do on there. As you can see with the Z, X, and C, there is whatever the hell you call that. Voice crack. Play, pause, fast forward, rewind. Yeah. We got all the numbers and everything. It's a pretty good keyboard, I guess. Yeah. Oh, you can also adjust your brightness by hitting FN and FN. That's right there. And it's also over here, but then like that. And let's bring it down. Nope. Oh, I was doing the wrong thing. Now this will work with an iPad, but I don't know why you would want it with an iPad. What did I just do? Oh, cool. If you hit these two buttons, like right there, these two at the same time, it'll take a screenshot. Amazing. Okay. That's pretty much it for the Bluetooth keyboard. Thanks for watching. If you're wondering why I did not post where you can find this, the website I got it from is fake. I don't really know how I got it then. I don't know, it was like online promos. I just asked them if they'd send it to me, and they said, yeah, whatever, we don't really care. It feels cheap. I like the clicks of the keyboard a lot. Doesn't block any of your camera crap. Has a nice finish, but I mean, who's really going to be using this? I am. So thank you for watching this video. If I ever find the keyboard, like on the site that I was on, you know, if I can get another one, I'll probably give it away. So, yeah, please rate, comment, and subscribe to see more, and keep watching my vids so I can get a new camera. Yeah. Thank you, and have a good day.